That's alright, eh?
Down that way.
I thought we went last time.
Depends what we're doing. We're not going to just keep lapping this fucking thing, are we? So we're going to go.
There's two blokes over that
Yeah,
way.
you might as well just go down.
Yeah.
I normally piss
See
off
if
down
Annie's
to
still
over
there.
to the top there, and then fuck off around the backside and come down the bottom, and then come back up and then do some other shit. But I haven't really been here for that long now. I can't remember what the hell's here. So I have to get the map out, or you have to tell me where you want to go.
It's up to you, man. But this one just, you just keep going down and goes by the car park and then you got to go back up here.
I know. That's what I just said.
You already know that. What's the, whatever.
Well, the rest of it, I meant. What do you want to do with the rest of it?
The rest, you got to start from here anyway, so you got to go make up here.
Yeah, maybe start with the nipple.
Fuck it, let's just do the blue one to go.
They're all blue. Which blue?
That one down there, the jump line.
Yeah.
And
I
then
haven't
when
done it
Annie
yet.
comes, we'll do legacy.
We'll pull that herb down it, it'll show us how to clear the jump.
Yeah, no.
Alright. Come on, Jake, I'll follow you down. Follow me down? Yeah, well, you're the idiot. You're the one that's clearing all the gaps at the moment.
The float up, yeah.
I'll follow you guys.
Should probably. Alright. She went up. Thank you. Hey, I just went down, Flo.
Oh, do you have it?
Huh?
Nice. You have it.
Oh,
You didn't crash.
Oh, actually, no. You already did.
When?
climbing up.
How did you crash?
Nah, I didn't crash, just hit a rock. So the bike rolled.
Oh.
Yeah, crashed on the way up.
Only e-bikes can do that, mate.
Lily up and fucking she nearly stopped on a bend, just kept going like minutely fucking slow. And I got right behind her and went, I can't go that slow. Yeah. Couldn't turn, I was going to hit her.
Nice. Oh, fuck! Ah! Where you guys going? Don't know. Huh? Yeah, I'll follow you.
I don't know the way you go.
What do you mean that way?
Huh?
Just go down that way.
Yeah, no, I mean like.
Oh, there's a left turn that is
Oh,
hard to do.
are you guys good?
Give us a sec, will you? You didn't have to climb that.
I'm just asking, mate.
Yeah, I'm good.
Huh?
I'm good to go.
All good, Jay?
Well, if you follow
You know?
these guys and they crash, don't go over it.
Well, don't follow me crashing.
Don't copy Annie.
Fuck my legs there. rolls. She rolls. The next one is a drop. Huh? That one's a drop. And the next one's a drop again. Ah. This next one's a drop. Woo!
Oh, they're doing the jump training.
Ah. Ooh, shit. Oh, this is that. A gap. No? Gap it. Yeah, I know. He said, no, I'm not going to do it. He said, no, it's just a gap.
The bike collect guys are doing it.
That's less reason I want to do it, Amy. That's not.
But in real life, you see how far there is, right, to reach the berm.
Yeah,
I try so hard, I just can't reach it.
yeah.
And the landing was so, but it's safe. But yeah, flat landing doesn't feel good, right?
No, it doesn't. Riders,
You coming down?
riders coming, riders.
I've seen a lot of guys just like nose pivot into them.
No pivot.
That gets technical trials on. I can't do that.
Can't even stop you or whatever.
Which side you going? That's the right.
Huh?
Which side you going? That's the
There's
right.
a side? I've only done the right.
Break the fuck out of you. Yeah, boy. That's alright, but not afterwards. Yeah, see, I break on the bottom. Know what to expect.
He's gonna jump it.
Yeah.
Break shit the fuck out of it.
It's fucking scary.
I
Like you
enjoyed
just.
the down.
Nice!
Oh shit!
Nice!
Whoa! Shit. I thought you were gonna roll back.
No.
You going through?
I don't know. I've done it once, but fucking we're dodgy. What are you standing over there for? Fuck.
Closing the beeline for you.
This.
Just do the top and back side again.
I'll give it a go.
Alright.
Where's the turn?
Yeah, it's
You probably want to jump more.
Yeah, you can't fucking see it.
Left there, come straight down.
Where do you land?
In the corner.
I mean,
You don't have to, you just like drop off at a smidge, really.
You don't want to land too far over because you'll be in all that.
I mean, really, first bit of the corner,
Yeah.
slightly in the burn,
Yeah.
and then as you land, you do,
And then curve it.
you pull the arrow,
Ah, yeah.
right, as you land, so it's like, come on,
Yeah.
land,
When you land here,
straight into twist,
Yeah.
well not twist, and you're like,
you're not going to die. It's just that
that don't follow that line. That's so wide. I mean tight inside. Go further to the right.
Yeah,
The further you are to the right,
closer to that rock.
the more
Yeah.
corner you're going to have to work with. Exactly. You want to open it up.
Yeah.
So that if you're straight in the middle, you got to turn straight square.
Yeah.
That's some neat shit.
Throwing the line. Take off.
Supposed to take off. Pretty good. Nice.
Not nice.
Not nice.
See the spot where she's not on the corner because she keeps covering the wrong spot?
Go a bit further to the right off the takeoff, eh?
Right, yeah. Point right. You keep jumping off it without going on the left side of that one.
Woo!
Oh, shit, that's how you do it.
Let's do that.
I didn't even know that was a thing.
Yeah, I thought.
Might go right.
Down something.
Where are we going?
I don't know. I'm
We working down or?
down and meet you guys at the
What are we doing, Annie?
Yeah, let's go down.
Spin some wheels?
Yeah. Let's continue down the tipping point and session it one by one.
What she said.
Like next spot then?
Yeah,
Rock garden?
the rock garden.
Couldn't agree more with whatever she just said. I'm gonna go do that out again.
Ah.
Doing that, are you doing? Oh, that was right actually from here.
It's not that. It's not that.
Do it.
Nice.
Flying
you-
over. This is the one that hits me always, eh?
This bit is fucking.
Which one, Jai? This one? This one?
Those big rocks, yeah.
So you go over this one, Jai? In the middle.
Oh, I remember when I got caught out down there in the middle, and then I was like, fuck.
Take your phone off so you don't smash it. That's not sliding in.
It's
I've
like,
done this for so long, I'm scared.
I'm nervous just looking at it.
I forgot, and like, it's like doing it all over again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Inside. Yeah. Oh, so heaps off that rock out.
Whoa.
That square
No,
one.
so you wanna go to, a bit to the left?
To the left or to the right?
A bit more to the left side.
I'll go to the left.
To this one.
You don't need to go down the right for that, hey. He went off this.
Yeah.
And that looked clean
Yeah, that
as.
was more fun.
Yeah, actually you can go down that one.
And then a little bit, and then you can get wide for the corner.
Straight to
When
the
I went there,
right down, right down.
Oh, come on, Jake. Go back. Go back and do it again. I said it's almost feasible to jump off that left rock, the big tall one,
Yeah.
but you need to carry a little bit more speed in than I did. And then just land to the left side of that big rock on the floor. But I don't think you can get the angle very easily.
autopilot when I get there. Then
Carry that
fucking Mark
speed.
is like,
Yeah.
too good.
Just a lot of big rocks.
Whoa.
Oh,
Oh, he went that way. Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
He went into the hole.
That was a better line. I cracked my fucking chain ring.
Yeah, you just want to make sure, Anna, you're even coming down this,
Yeah.
not down this.
Yeah.
Because then you're going to be nice and wide for the straight.
You're gonna go
I went
over
off the
here,
top of that.
Hey?
or do you?
No, no, no.
That bit there.
You got
That fucking drop.
You gotta look at it
I know the top of the shot when I'm down. I cracked my chain ring on that one.
bouncy point of view,
Bounce
right?
in there.
So you're going to come through there, kiss through this, down this, through this. And then or, yeah, 'cause you're gonna, it's going to slow you down heaps, right?
Oh, look at these.
Yeah. Ooh. All the way to the right.
Nice. And the laugh. The laugh. She always does the laugh.
Typical Annie.
That off camber just throws you off, eh?
Yeah.
Like a meter.
Heat scratches on
Who's
it.
next?
You know what not to do now.
Oh, fuck. Here's alright.
Good.
Yes, yes.
There you go. That.
Yes, yes,
That's it.
oh,
That's what I did.
yes, Evan.
Yeah, that rocked her.
An engine, but yeah.
Car, I can get 5 dogs.
Hey, slow it down, slow it down.
Lower.
Slow it down, slow it down.
Oh, fuck. What? What's wrong? Don't laugh already. Just started laughing. You got this. Easy. Did you roll it?
Yeah, I didn't pop. I didn't even have time to pop.
Did you hit that rock?
I don't think the back wheel even hit it. I think it just glided over it. Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah, I lose a little bit speed on the bird.
Yeah, that last crank you put in just afterwards was very much needed. Yeah.
I'll go like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's slow. It's okay.
Yeah.
You nearly bottomed out your fourth on the first hole. Hey.
Oh, really?
That's the hard bit for me.
The first
Then I
entrance.
balance
Yeah.
that.
The rest of it honestly looks quite fine and approachable, but
Yeah, only that first one.
it's terrifying to
Always
enter.
threw me off balance.
You gotta do what's fun. Oh,
Oh.
you're overthinking it, Annie. Your first one was the best, yeah, for sure.
What happened there?
Mile.
What happened there?
Just
It's okay.
duh, 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 duh.
Yeah, the
Bit nosedive off the front.
If I go that line, on this bird, I went a bit too high.
Yeah,
Then I'm strengthening myself in here.
yeah. No.
You don't really need spots. You're kind of wide over the spots.
Nice!
Yeah.
A little bit. Yeah. It's hard to get that speed up.
Nice.
What's with you and one leg, man? Oh, yeah. Woo! Fuck yeah! Woo! 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 Fuck yeah!